Welcome, everyone. I'm so excited to be with everyone again today, and we had a lot of requests for this next topic. So I'm very excited to be sharing with you about a really great subject. So, where is the very best place to use essential oils topically? A lot of you wanted to know the answer to that. So there are a couple of ways you can use essential oils topically. It'll really depend upon the issue you're working with as to where to apply oils when addressing various concerns. One of the very best places to use essential oils topically is actually the feet. So as you can see by this illustration of the foot, there are corresponding reflex points in the feet that relate to every part of the body. For example, let's say you have an upset stomach, you're having problems with your digestion, and you want to use an oil to calm and balance the digestive system. You would massage a drop or two of either peppermint or ginger essential oil, which are both great digestive oils, into the reflex points of the feet that correspond to the digestive tract, which if you look at this reflexology chart, you'll see the lime green areas on the inside of the foot, right below the ball of the foot, correspond to the digestive system and the stomach. So you could massage 1 to 2 drops of either peppermint or ginger into that reflex point on both feet and massage it in really well. And then after you've massaged it in, it's really good to just hold your hand over that area for a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, because oils, as I've said before in the past, are very volatile and they evaporate very quickly. So you want them to penetrate rather than evaporate. So that's one way that you can deal with the digestive tract. You could also take 1 or 2 drops of the ginger and peppermint and massage it directly onto the belly. You might want to put a little coconut oil or jojoba oil to mix in with that because the belly's a little sensitive and those are very strong oils. And just massage it directly onto the belly area where you're experiencing the upset. And again, hold your hand over that area so that those oils actually penetrate into the skin and then get into the digestive area. You'll notice though, even when you're just massaging it into the reflex points of the feet, you'll definitely feel relief very quickly from working with the feet. So a great way to use essential oils topically. Or maybe you might be suffering from a respiratory condition and you want to clear up the lungs or the respiratory system. I would reach for eucalyptus oil and massage 2 to 3 drops directly into the lung points of the feet, which are the balls of the feet, of both feet. And I massage it onto the bottom, the sole of the foot, where the ball of the foot is, and the top part of the foot. And I massage it in really well. And again, I'll hold my hand over that area until I feel a slight cooling in my lungs, which suggests that the oil's actually beginning to impact the lungs. And then, of course, with the respiratory area, I would also take 1 drop of eucalyptus, because again, it's really strong and potent. And I would pour that drop into the palm of my hand, rub my palms together, and cup my hands over my nose and inhale very slowly. And what you'll notice if you inhale, take a big inhale all at once, it may make you cough because it's so strong, but go very slowly and you'll start to feel the coolness in your lungs doing a quick little inhale with eucalyptus so you can get it both through the reflex points of the feet and through inhalation. The other way is going to be to dilute the oil of your choice in a carrier oil and then apply directly to the area of the body that is experiencing an issue. And I was saying that earlier with the digestive issues. So let's give another example. So let's say you have a sore shoulder or a sore knee. And we're going to want to work with helichrysum. We can use other oils that are great anti-inflammatories, but the #1 anti-inflammatory is helichrysum. And I would do a 50% dilution, meaning 50% helichrysum and 50% carrier oil, like organic jojoba oil. And once you've got that mixed up and you blend it enough so that the helichrysum becomes emulsified in the oil, you're going to want to apply directly to the knee or shoulder. And again, 3 to 4 drops in the palm of your hand, massage gently into the knee or the shoulder, and hold your hand over that area for a good 5 minutes. If you can do it for longer, 5 to 10 minutes, that's even better, because then you're assuring that the oil actually penetrates into the tissue and those anti-inflammatories. And again, helichrysum is the #1 anti-inflammatory oil. It will actually penetrate into the tissues and it'll begin to reduce the inflammation in those areas. So those are my 2 favorite ways to apply oils topically. And we're going to talk a lot more about this subject in my 6-week course, The Sacred Art of Aromatherapy, which we're going to be offering up soon. So stay tuned to learn more about that, and have an awesome week. I look forward to sharing more next time. Until then, wishing you all a beautiful Easter holiday.